Multiply the top equation by 12 gives us 96x subtract 48y equals 84. Multiplying the bottom equation by 8 gives us 96x subtract 64y equals 48. Top equation subtract bottom equation. So at the top I've got negative 48 and I'm going to subtract the bottom, which is negative 64. That's 16y. 84 subtract 48 is 36. Opposite of multiply by 16 is to divide by 16. So y equals 2.25. Take the first equation again. 8x subtract 4. Now we know what y is, so we can put that in. 2.25 equals 7. 4 multiplied by 2.25 is 9. So actually we've got 8x subtract 9 equals 7. Opposite of subtract 9 is to add 9. So 8x equals 16. Opposite of multiply by 8 is divide by 8. So we're left with x equals 2. Let x equal 0.417. Then I've got 3 digits with the dots, so I'm going to do 1000x equals, I can check this on my calculator, 0.417 with the dots over the top, multiplied by 1000 is 417.417 recurring. Then we're going to do that 1000x subtract x is the 417.417 recurring minus the original 0.417 recurring. 1000 subtract 1 is 999. This number subtracts the original 417 is 417. Opposite of multiply by 999 is to divide by 999. And my calculator automatically cancels that down to 139 over 333. To work out the area of a kite, I can split it into 2 triangles. And if I know 2 sides and the angle between them, I can use the formula a half AB sine C. So I want 2 of these triangles, so 2 times a half, the sides are 3 and 8, and the angle is 110. I get an answer of 22.5526. I want to go for 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, there's my cutoff. It's followed by a 5, so rounds up. 22.6. So, James taking from bag A to get a red, well that's 5 out of 12. Lucy taking from bag B to get a red is n out of 25. That needs to equal 2 over 15. Let's multiply the fraction, so I get 5n over 300. Opposite dividing by 300 is to multiply. So 5n equals 2 over 15 multiplied by 300, which equals 40. And the opposite of multiplying by 5 is to divide by 5. So n equals 8. To take different colours, so James could take a red and then Lucy could take a blue, or James could take a blue and Lucy could take a red, or James could take a white and Lucy could take a red, or white with blue. So I've got 4 different ways we can do this. So red is 5 out of 12. Blue, well, we now know 8 are red, so 17 are blue. How many blues in bag A is 6 out of 12. Reds in bag B is 8. Whites in bag A is 1. Reds is 8. Whites, blues is 17. I'm going to add all of those up. Can't copy. So that's all the multiplication. Now I'm going to add them all up. Gives me a grand total of 79 over 150. P just to W is A, so W to Q will be another A. So Q to R, I've got to come down 2 A's, so that's negative 2A, and then along B plus B. Q to X, I'm told it's in the ratio 2 to 1, so this is 2/3 to 1/3. So Q to X is 2/3 of Q to R. So I can just write 2/3 brackets my previous answer. W to X, I can do W to Q and then Q to X. So W to Q is A, Q to X I've just written down. So we've got an expression for W to X. I can simplify it by expanding the bracket, so I get A minus 4/3 A plus 2/3 B, which is negative 1/3 A plus 2/3 B. That's another way of writing W to X. W to Y is minus A plus 2B, which is just 3 times W to X, and that's all I need to prove I've got a straight line.